In a dramatic escalation of the ongoing migration debate, Polish Prime Minister Donald Tusk has slammed Germany's new plan to enforce temporary border controls across all its land borders, a move he deems both unacceptable and a violation of European law. This significant development comes as Germany grapples with increasing domestic and international pressure over its migration policies. Germany's Interior Minister, Nancy Faeser, announced that starting next Monday, the country will implement temporary controls on its 2,300-mile land border. This decision is framed as a response to recent attacks linked to suspected Islamist extremists, and is intended to curb what Faeser describes as irregular migration. However, Tusk and the Polish government are not taking this lightly. They accuse Berlin of acting unilaterally and breaching the Schengen Agreement, which allows for passport-free travel across many European countries. The new regulations, set to last for an initial 6 months, will affect Germany's borders with Denmark, the Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, France, Switzerland, Austria, the Czech Republic, and Poland. Tusk argues that this move essentially represents a de facto suspension of the Schengen Agreement on a grand scale. He is calling for urgent consultations with Germany's neighbors to address what he views as an unjust and legally questionable policy shift. The timing of this announcement is particularly sensitive. It coincides with a heated political climate in Germany, driven by recent fatal attacks involving asylum seekers and the rise of the far-right Alternative für Deutschland, that is AfD, party. The AD's recent electoral victories underscore the growing political volatility surrounding migration issues in Germany, further complicating the discourse. In response to Faeser's announcement, Austrian Interior Minister Gerhard Kahner has also voiced strong objections. He has made it clear that Austria will not accept any migrants turned away by Germany, emphasizing a strict adherence to current regulations. This stance could exacerbate tensions within the EU and challenge the practicalities of managing border controls effectively. The broader context involves a decade-long struggle with migration policies in Europe. Germany's approach has evolved significantly from the open-door policy during the 2015 refugee crisis to stricter measures in recent years. The government has already implemented tighter controls on its borders with Poland, the Czech Republic, and Switzerland, and has faced criticism from various quarters, including NGOs, over the perceived erosion of asylum rights. The current debate highlights the challenges of balancing national security and migration management with EU commitments and human rights obligations. As Germany prepares to implement these new controls, the potential ramifications for European unity and cooperation are significant. The effectiveness and legality of these measures will likely be scrutinized closely, both within Germany and across the continent. Stay subscribed for more videos.